In this video, let me show you how to fix Spotify not available in country. So if you're currently having this issue where you are not being able to use Spotify because you're getting this error message, in today's video, let me show you a few solutions that you can try out. Now, if you have recently switched your country, Spotify only allows you to use the application in a different country with the same settings, only up to 14 days. So once the 14-day period hits, you need to switch your location within your Spotify account as well. So using the web version of Spotify, either using your phone or your laptop, head over to open.spotify.com. Once you're logged into your account, head over to settings, head over to view account, and then make sure you head over to edit personal info. So for example, if you have switched your country currently, you need to quickly switch your region or country from the settings page or from your profile as well. So make sure you select the correct country that you're currently in and then simply tap on save profile. By doing this first step alone, you should be able to fix this error. But however, if you have not switched your country and you're still having issues with it, this could likely be app bugs or app glitches. So in this situation, what you can try out is try to reinstall the Spotify application onto your device. This ensures that you have the latest version, and any sort of bugs which might be causing the issue should also be now fixed. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.